In this video, I'll be sharing with you the easiest step to make your money bag. Hello my beautiful family members, you all are welcome to my channel. So let's get started. I'll start by making my money bag filling, and for my filling I'll be using some carrots and cabbage. I've shredded them already. So I also have some bell pepper, the red, the yellow and the green bell pepper. I have some spring onions, I have some pepper mix, I have some spices, curry and all-purpose, salt to taste, and spring onions for the money bag. I also have some chicken and some soy sauce that I'll be using. I'll start by deboning my chicken. So I'm going to debone this chicken and cut it into smaller size. And also for your money bag, you can use your samosa filling or your spring roll filling. It works as well too. And this is what I have. The next step, I'll heat up some oil, then I'm going to add my onions and let this fry for some minutes to release some flavor. Then I'll go ahead and add my chicken, then I'll allow this to stir fry for a few minutes. The next thing is I'll add my pepper mix, then I'll stir that very well. After that, I'm going to add my salt, then I'm also going to add some spice blend too as well. Then I'm going to stir this together. Then the next thing I'll be adding is my curry powder and my all-purpose powder. I'm just going to stir that two together. Then I'm adding my bell pepper. After adding my pepper, I stir everything together and I cover this to steam for a few minutes. So this is what I have. So I'm just going to add my cabbage and my carrots now. So I'm just going to stir all that together. Then I'll be adding my soy sauce. Stir everything together and I finish it up with my spring onions and my filling is ready. For my wrap, I'll be using the same wrap I used for my samosa for my money bag. So I'll be leaving the link for my samosa video in the description box below. So what I did is I had my filling at the middle of the wrap, then I begin to fold in from the edges. So you are going to hold the wrap from the edges only, then you make sure you fold it very well. Then after that, you get your spring onions and use it to tie it. Make sure that you are very careful because the spring onion tend to tear easily. So once that is done, the next thing I'll be doing is to get a toothpick and use it to hold it very well, just to secure it, and this is what I have. So basically that is how to make your money bag. So I'm just going to repeat the same process with the rest of the wrap. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and be part of the family. I share amazing recipe on my YouTube channel, and when you subscribe, please don't forget to turn on your notification bell and like and share this video. And then this is what I have. This is my money bag. The next step, I'll proceed to start frying it. So I'm just going to drop it inside my preheated oil and allow this to fry until it is golden brown. So this is my money bag. I'm just going to take this out from the oil and allow the excess oil to drain. So guys, this is my money bag recipe. I hope you'll be trying yours and share your experience with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it thumbs up, share this video and leave some comments in the comment section. So guys, this is my money bag recipe and this is what I have. So till I come your way in my next video, keep believing in yourself. Bye bye guys, and thank you for watching.